In this video, I intend to introduce you to Forge, one of Stable Diffusion's most potent and popular user interfaces, and explain how to install it on Nvidia graphics cards. The installation method for AMD graphics cards will be covered in other videos. Forge is a completely optimized and faster version of the automatic 11.11 user interface. Its new features and capabilities take the experience of generating AIArt to a new level. In previous videos, I introduced the Focus user interface, which is excellent for beginners and those looking for a simple and uncomplicated interface. However, Forge is the best choice if you want more control over the image generation process, more precise and higher quality results, and faster performance. This user interface is designed to perform very well even on PC with average hardware, significantly reducing image generation time. Feel free to comment if you encounter issues during the installation or use of Forge. Let's install the Forge user interface for Stable Diffusion on Nvidia graphics cards. Forge can be installed manually or automatically, and I will explain both methods in detail. However, I recommend installing it manually to avoid errors, as the second method may only work for some. To install Forge, we first need to go to Git and download it. For this, we visit the Git website, and I have provided the link in the description. Then, we click on this link and wait for the download to complete. I had already downloaded all the files earlier. After downloading, we install Git. In the second step, we need to install Python. We find and download version 3.10.6. Since I already downloaded it, I won't do it again. After downloading, we install Python. Next, we need to specify the directory where we want to install Forge. I had already created a folder named StableD. So I made a new folder inside and called it Forge. I opened this folder. Then, I clicked on the address bar, typed CMD, and press enter. I do this to open the CMD window with a path to this folder, so that the file can be installed in this folder. Now we go to the GitHub website and navigate to the Advanced Install section. We copy the link from this section. Then we go back to CMD. In this section, we type git, press space, clone, press another space, and paste the link we copied and press enter. We are waiting for the download and installation to be complete. Now, We close the CMD window and return to the Forge folder. We enter the Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge folder. We click on the Web UI user.bat file. We are waiting for the download and installation to be complete. That's the Forge user interface for Stable Diffusion. If this video was helpful to you, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's move on to the automatic installation method. We go to the GitHub website and navigate to the Installing Forge section. We click on this link and wait for the file to download. After downloading, we extract the zip file's contents and send them to where we want to install it. Next, we click on the update.bat file and wait for the download and installation to complete. Now we go back and click on the run.bat file. Again, we wait for the download and installation to complete. And that's it.